Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie. If my hands is ashy, it is what it is. I've been going back and forth with gloves all day, whatever. But got a package in, and the package is from Wahl. And I've been seeing a couple of different clippers on Instagram from Wahl. So I had an idea what I thought it was gonna be, but it's not the clipper I thought it was gonna be, which is still cool, cause we're still gonna put it to work. So this is the KUNO, maybe. I don't know. But this is a clipper that Wahl just sent to me. It says lightweight, compact, and built to last. The KUNO is designed to provide a perfect control on every cut. Let's just open this up real quick and see. First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? But yeah, let's get in there. It's a powerful bulk removal. And so it's a quick detach blades for easy cleaning. So okay, it's a little detached blades. It's a 3-click lever or floating lever. 3 clicks. I wonder why is that? But let's get in here. Get the charging cable, of course, because it needs to charge. Charging dock. Nice little sleek design of the charging dock. And it does come with some guards. So let's open these guards up. I wonder if these are the same. No, they are not the same guards at all. So I wonder if the blade is a little, oh, they are magnetic. So these are magnetic blades. Look like it comes up to a number 4. I do like that design though. But let's get into the clipper. That's what we're here for. We're not gonna be here all day, but let's see what the machine looks like. It's like a little ergo body style to it. It is very slim. If y'all can see that, it's slim. Ergo, the style design for ergonomical. So that is you can't hear the clicks. Okay. Let me see what this. So I do like that. Like you don't have to change anything to make it floating lever or click lever. So they got these buttons here. This button on the back or the bottom of the blade. Turn it that way, then it's a click lever. All right, but it only got 3 clicks. All right, and then turn it this way. Now we got a floating lever, which I would probably keep it at a floating lever. And then let me see if I can remove it without breaking anything. And just pop right off. That's cool. Not bad at all. Pop back on. There we go. It's on. So it's cool. It's a little, the blade is a little off, so I will set the blade, but I think I'm gonna keep it at a floating lever. I don't like the clippers with just 3-click levers. I'm used to the 5. It gives me more room, so I'll probably just keep it at a floating lever. It is loose though. It's very loose. So if you like the if you don't mind the, like, you know how some clippers, they look stiff when they first come out. This is loose, moves very smoothly, so I'm not mad at that. Quiet. Put the guard on. Magnetic guard, blade snaps right on. So you can remove the blade, and I thought maybe they would have a different blade in here. Maybe it come with different size blades, but they just have the diamond blade attached to it. So I guess this is when you can look in the manual and see if it will have any other blades, like maybe a fade blade, a taper blade, you know, something different, different blades. But either way, that is the KUNO. I thought this was gonna be their vapor clipper. I've been seeing the vapor clipper, and that looks a little exciting, but we are gonna put this to work and do a few cuts with it. See if it get the job done. That is the new KUNO clipper from Wahl. All right. So yeah, We're gonna put it to work. See how it operates. All right. I'm gonna use my discount code if you want to buy this once it drops, because I don't even know. It's crazy because I didn't even look it up. I don't know the price or release date on this. Again, if I know it by the time the video come out, it's on the screen. If I don't, then follow me on Instagram at Cuts By Reggie. Try to keep you updated a little bit more. All right. So let me know what you think about this. It is lightweight. It is small. Let me see what if they say about runtime and stuff. It is 7,200 RPM, 100-minute runtime, 60-minute quick charge. So get a little over an hour and a half of runtime, so that's cool. And again, it does come with a charging dock, so it's not gonna the charging dock almost bigger than the Clipper. But let me know what you think about it, and if you are looking to try something from Wahl at the moment. All right. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And we'll be back with the review of this sometime, eventually. Peace.